Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to download Windows Sandbox into your Windows 11 in a very simple way. What you need to do is just simply come over into your search option and going to search for control panel. You can see here is a control panel. So if you click on that, then you will see this kind of interface over here. And from here, you just need to come over into this install a program. And if you click on that, then you will come over into the left side called turn Windows feature on or off. So if you click on that, then there will be a Windows features option will be pops up. And if you scroll down a little bit, and then after you will get the option called Windows Sandbox. So if you click on that, click OK, and you can see now it's searching for required files and it's applying changes. You can see after that you just need to restart your device. You can simply select restart device now, or you can do it don't restart. After restarting your PC, you just simply come over into your search option over here and go to search for Sandbox. You can see Windows Sandbox. If you click on that, and your Sandbox is opening, and after a short time you can see your Sandbox is opened. And now from here you can safely download or install any of apps if you want. So this is how you can use Sandbox or enable Sandbox into your Windows. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in other videos. Till then, goodbye.